everyone. Today I would like to give you a lesson on the topic exercises to test your knowledge. I think each of us knows Albert Einstein, one of the most famous scientists in the world. I want to tell you that he constantly tested his knowledge and hypotheses through numerous experiments and mathematical calculations. His ability to carefully check and analyze information allowed him to create the theory of relativity and change our understanding of the physical world. Let this be your motivation so that the exercises to test your knowledge not only help you make sure that you understand the material, but also develop logical thinking, attention to detail, and accuracy in solving problems. So, let's go. Among those statements, determine which are true and which are false. So, the length of the apothem of a regular pyramid is less than the length of its lateral edge. Yes or not? I have drawn a regular pyramid in front of you. I have highlighted a right triangle in yellow. Here is the apothem. This is marked in green, and the side edge is marked in blue. And so, why is this a yellow triangle? Why will it be right-angled? Because the apothem will always be perpendicular to the edge of the base of the pyramid, and the length of the leg is always less than the length of the hypotenuse of this triangle. So, the answer is yes. Statement 2. Well, we'll take 2 points and draw 2 parallel planes through them, and we'll take the other 2 points and draw 2 parallel planes through them. So we see that not only can we draw 2 parallel planes through 2 points in space, so the answer is no. Statement 3. There is a cylinder whose lateral surface is a square. So why not? It will be either a square or a rectangle. So, from the lateral surface of the cylinder, we can get a square. So, the answer is yes. Statement 4. If the radius of a sphere is doubled, its volume will increase by a factor of 4. So, I draw 2 pictures. In the first picture, I depict the sphere before enlargement. That is, before enlargement, the volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, and after enlargement, when we increase the radius by 2 times, the volume of the enlarged sphere will be 4/3 pi 2r cubed. We get that V2 equals 4/3 pi 8r cubed. Now we divide V2 by V1 and we will have the ratio of the 2 spheres as 8:1. So V2 equals 8 times V1. Therefore, the volume of the sphere has increased by 8 times. So the answer is no. Statement 5. There is a sphere whose radius is 8 centimeters, and the distance between 2 points lying on its surface is 17 centimeters. I have drawn a sphere and marked 2 points A and B on it. Suppose that AB is less than or equal to 2r. Instead of AB, I will substitute 17 instead of radius 8. 2 times 8 equals 16, so we have that 17 is less than or equal to 16. This equality is incorrect, so the answer is no. Statement 6. The lateral surface area of any cylinder is greater than the area of its base. There is a cylinder whose lateral surface area is not greater than the area of its base. I will prove it to you now. For example, let's take a cylinder whose base radius is 10 and height is 1. Find its base area, find the lateral surface area. So let's make up such an inequality that the lateral surface area of the cylinder will be less than the base area. So the answer is no. Congratulations on completing the revision of one of the sections of geometry, which is called Bodies of Rotation. Of course, you will not be left with gifts. The gift is Dassault Falcon 10X, and let's enjoy this motivational music together.